If you use a headband while doing activities but you want to listen to music, you should get a Bluetooth headband. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I just got this. It's a Bluetooth headband. And it means that you can listen to that podcast, that audiobook, that music that you like so much while you're out and about doing stuff. And one of the things I was thinking about this winter is that you kind of want to keep your ears warm, but you also want to listen to stuff, and this little headband might do the trick. First of all, you don't get a ton of accessories here, which is kind of to be expected, but you actually get this micro USB cable, and it's actually one of the nicer ones. Look at that. It's got that vinyl braiding around it, and it looks like it's going to be pretty long. So it's kind of one of the best stock micro USB cables I've seen. Now here is the headband, and it's kind of like, I don't know, it's a lycra or spandex kind of material. It's really stretchy. Obviously, there is an elastic band underneath the material there, but you can see that this goes all the way around your head, and then you have a control panel right here, and a power button right there, play, pause. Looks like kind of play, pause in advance, play, pause, rewind. Looks like we have some lights there for status and battery charge. We have the micro USB port right there. This is all rubberized. It's got like a rubber coating on top of everything. And what makes this most unique is the way it transmits the audio into your head. And it really is transmitting to your head. What you might be able to see there is this little bump. It's like this rubberized bump. And it is a bone conduction headphone. And so if I put this on my head, what we get right here is a bone conduction right into the side of my temple right there. So I can leave my ears open. I can cover them up. But what it allows me to do is have, well, if it's warm, a little bit of sweat absorption, and if it's cold, a little bit more skin protection, yet stay connected with phone calls or audio or music. And I love these because they just kind of keep you safe. Having your ear canals open to ambient noise, if a dog is running up behind you, if a car is approaching you, if someone's walking behind you, those types of things, you're not going to be isolated from those things. And so it can be very valuable, one, to be aware of things, but two, to keep you safe. But then you don't have to just sacrifice being able to hear everything and not being able to hear what you want, right? So if I hold down this button, what you can see there is that LED light comes on, and I think we are in pairing mode. So I'm going to pair it to my phone and try it out. Alright, so I've been playing around with this, and first of all, it makes my hair look absolutely awesome! Yeah, baby! I am totally mushrooming here, and it looks sick. I've got this headband on here, and I kind of been playing around with the location. I think it's actually supposed to go right about where I've got it, but I've got my ear open here, and kind of like right above my ear, or if you can put it in front of your ear, that's even better probably. But the cool thing about this is in the cold weather, I can kind of pull it down here, and it's still not over my ear. My ear is right here, but the little speaker is right in front of it, and it works pretty well. So I went ahead and paired it. The middle button does play, pause it, and the other buttons in front of it and behind it advance or rewind, so they kind of skip track. So I was listening to music, I was watching some YouTube videos, listening to podcasts. It works just fine. Probably my initial thought is right out of the gate, you're only hearing stuff over here, and so it's kind of a little weird. It's kind of like listening to a phone, but you get over it in like 5 seconds. I thought it'd be weird to only have audio over here, but it's really not that strange. You know, it's strange because you have things over both ears, so you feel like you're going to hear stuff on both sides, but you only hear over here. The weirdness only lasts for a few seconds, but it works really well. You can control the volume. I was also worried that the volume might be too low to be able to hear anything, but yeah, I was able to listen to music and podcasts, and I never actually maxed out the volume on my phone to do that. It sounded just fine. So it's really kind of clever, because now it's not just bone conduction earphones, but you can get them in this form factor where if you want to be active, if you want to be outside, if you want the protection that a hat or a hood is going to give you, and yet still listen to stuff, I think you're going to really like this. So if you want to pick up this bone conduction headband, I think you should definitely give it a try. I'll put a link to it in the description. Peter Von Panda, out! If you use a headband